Hi, hello all. Welcome to TCS Pongal celebrations at LVS Farm with the support of Town Carry. சுழன்றும் ஏற்பின்னது உலகம் அதனால் உழன்றும் உழந்தும் உழவே தலை. The meaning of this Tirukkural is like wherever it whirls, the world has to go with the farmers. Despite all this hardship, farming is the best. So we are going to celebrate this Pongal festival here at LVS Farms, right? Before that, I just wanted to give a little bit of introduction about our organization. So we are from Tamil Cultural Association of North Carolina, a non-profit organization with the purpose of fostering and understanding of the Tamil language, arts and culture. We do a lot of social activities and cultural activities just to showcase the Indian heritage and the Tamil culture. So today here with this LVS team just to celebrate the Pongal as well as to interact with the team on their successful journey of their organic farming. So before that, I wanted to get a bit of information on this Pongal. Pongal is a 4-day long harvest festival that is regarded as Tamil equivalent of Thanksgiving and is celebrated by the Tamil community all over the world. It is the time of celebration as the farmers enjoy their new harvest and they celebrate this festival with great splendor. It's a kind of thanksgiving to the nature, the god and the cattle just who help the farmers on their agriculture. Pongal is also a delicious sweetened dish made up of rice with jaggery and milk. If you want to more information about this festival, just Google it for Pongal and you will get a lot of exciting information. And the main purpose of doing this Pongal celebration is here to interact with the team and also want to show how this festival is celebrated traditionally to the local community as well as to the next generation. So let me introduce the LVS team here.
Okay, myself is Lakshmi.
I'm Vidya. I'm Saranya.
We are so delighted to see meet the team here. Good morning, Saranya. Can you tell us about the LVS Farms? Means like how you guys started this farm and what motivated you start this kind of farming?
When I came to know that we have the vegetables we use, there are a lot of pesticides and unwatered fertilizers. I was shocked, and then I realized that even though you soak that for an overnight or wash with a vinegar solution, still we cannot remove those pesticides from those vegetables and fruits. So I started growing my own organic vegetables at my backyard to get a fresh and non-pesticide vegetables for my family. When I see success in that one, so I started, why can't I do it in a big scale so I can help my families and friends also to eat and live healthy life.
Oh, that's great to hear. Yeah. So here I am having Lakshmi with me. Let's ask about what kind of farming that they are doing and how it differs from the usual farming and what are the benefits.
Actually, in our land we use only the natural things. We never use the chemicals. For example, what we feed in our plant is we used only the fish amino acids and then the cow dung. For cow dung we used the Indian breed cows, for example the Gir cows and the Brahman cows. And then the flowers we using the Temur Carousel. For pesticides we using only the 3G Carousel. And then we use only the neem oil. That's it.
It seems that you use a lot of natural things. How difficult is it to get those items, particularly in our triangle area?
It's little difficult to get cow dung in this area, so we travel 1 to 2 hours from here, and then we go there to a farm who raises our Indian Brahman Gir cows. From them we get the matured cow dung from them.
We are so proud, Vidya, that you are part of this organic farming. Can you tell us like what type of vegetables that you grow here and what is the specialty of those vegetables?
We have all our vegetables like gourd varieties, which are bitter gourd, ridge gourd, snake gourd, beans, tomato, okra, eggplant. All this, how it differs from market is it's completely organic and natural. We grow naturally. We have all the green leaves varieties like balloon vine. We have methi. We have spinach. We have English. We have red amaranth, green amaranth, and we have all spinach varieties. Cilantro. We have, and we have onions, garlic. Yeah, we do have all these vegetables.
Okay, it's good to hear that you are growing all these vegetables, organically, which in a natural way. Can you tell us like how we can buy these vegetables?
You can contact us through our email. We have a Facebook page called LVS Organic Farms. You can contact us through the Facebook Messenger. You can WhatsApp us, and then you can catch up us in the Morrisville Farmers Market on every Saturday.
Yes, Charanya. So what's your future plan and is there any message that you want to convey to the people who want to start this organic farming?
We wanted to do this in a large scale and like to pass the organic farming and its knowledge to the next generations to come on. When we grow organic food, we eat not only healthy food and also keep our Mother Earth happy.
That's a wonderful thinking, Saranya. Our best wishes for your future plans.
Thank you so much.
On behalf of TCA, I would like to thank LVS Farms, their family, and the community that are supporting them. We want to extend our Pongal wishes to all the people, all the farmers who celebrate this auspicious festival throughout the world. Thank you.